Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Trak Cnc / manual flatbed lathe model 1630RX, serial number 24EE007. This machine was new in 2020 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has the RLX control, which is a touch screen, and we're running right now. It has a spindle that goes from 500 RPM. It goes from 150 up to 2,500 RPM. That's 800. So the 1630 is a 16-inch swing with 30-inch centers. You have 8.6 over the cross slide. 1100. Machine's super quiet. This is original paint. Came out of a pharmaceutical company. Very low hours. 1500 RPM. You have the four-way Trak 4-station programmable turret tool post. Right now he's running it with the joystick. He's wrapping it the Z-axis. That's your X. So that's with the rapid. That's your hand wheel. You can program that for rapid or fine feed on both. Again, he's using the digital hand wheel, so you can use it in a manual mode and it becomes a digital readout, but it's ball screw and servo drives. The machine also has a feature called tracking. Control has a DXF converter, advanced features. Again, I said it has a touchscreen, graphics. He's indexing the turret. Now we have with it, also this is a TAILSTOck. TAILSTOck has a number 4 Morse taper with 5 3/4 inch travel. It's 2.36 inch diameter. Now we have a ton of tooling with it. You have the 3-drawer chuck that's on the machine. You have that 4-way turret tool post. You have some turret tooling with it. You also have a steady rest. You have a 5C collet attachment made by Durham, which is air actuated. You have a 4-drawer chuck, which is 12 inches in diameter, and you have a 14-inch faceplate. And you do have all those nice 5C collets for the 5C collet closer. Hey, thank you for watching our video.